So hi guys, this is the continuation of the video na yung shinare kong paano mag-process ng police certificate in the Philippines. So ito is letter of request. So itong letter of request is isa doon sa requirements na kailanganin mo to process your police certificate in the Philippines kung andito ka sa Canada. So date is kung kailan mo sinulat ang documents, and then to whom it may concern. To whom it may concern is like para siyang formula sa taong magbabasa na hindi mo kilala. Maliban na lang kung kilala mo, ilagay mo to Mr. Ganyan. So kung hindi mo kilala ang taong magbabasa, babae ba siya o lalaki, ilagay mo lang na to whom it may concern. And then yung re dyan, driver's license certificate, yung re is regarding sa document na kakailanganin mo, or in reference to, or this kanang ito yun siyang parang nag-i-indicate, to clearly indicate na anong purpose of your correspondence sa office nila. So ito yung parang subject that clearly indicate of your purpose of correspondence sa office nila. So dear sir and ma'am, sir, ma'am. So, yan lagay mo kasi hindi mo kilala ang tao, babae ba or lalaki, yung magbabasa ng letter mo. So, next is, I am. So, yung full name mo, edad mo, age, Filipino, currently working as an OFW in Canada. So, ilagay ko dito ang Canada. So, I am a child care live-in caregiver, CG's caregiver at this address. So, nilagay ko yan doon sa letter ko. So, ito yung first stanza ko. Yung sa second stanza mo is yung purpose, bakit ka nagsulat. So, makikita na yan dito sa red, diba, na meron kang subject. Parang dito pa lang, alam na nilang kailangan mo. So, para lang formal ang letter mo, i-explain mo yan dito, bakit mo kailangan ng driver's license certificate. So, I am writing to request a driver's license certificate from your office. And this is a document for me to, ito yung rason ko nilagay ko sa, this is the reason or the purpose of my request. Okay, kaya ito ang sinulat ko sa letter ko. So, I am writing to request a driver's license certificate from your office. And this is a document for me to process my driver's license in Canada and to undergo road test requirement from the province I'm currently located. So, nilagay ko din sa bandang baba nito. Lagyan mo lang siya ng space. And then, attach herewith are my other requirements for the processing of my request. So, in-inform ko dun sa letter nga. Sa letter na ito, letter of request na ito, merong attached na other requirements ko pa na kailanganin to process my request na driver's license certificate. And then, thank you for your kind response. So, lagyan mo talaga yan siya daan ng thank you kahit paanong response sila. But thank you for your kind response. And then, respectfully, your name and signature. Use respectfully because parang personal ka itong yours truly, no? Parang ganyan. So, I'd rather use sincerely or respectfully sa mga letters na ginawa ko before, and these letters I use, itong letter na to, dalawa kasing ginawa ko, so I use respectfully. So, mas prefer ko yung respectfully. So, that is all. Thank you.